Hello friends and colleagues. The third day of Integrated Systems Europe 2026 is just as busy as the previous days. Fira de Barcelona Gran Via is packed with attendees who are eager to explore the latest innovations being showcased on the show floor. Sound Devices is presenting very interesting wireless microphone system.
Hi there, this is Laura Salampa with Sound Devices at ISE 2026, showing off our Astral Wireless brand. So if you step into the booth here with me, what I have displayed to the left of me is our built-in RTSA coming from our Astral Wireless ARX32 receiver. This is a receiver that's one rack unit wide that can do up to 32 channels all in one. So if I'll show you the overview screen here, that's 32 channels of wireless you can pair with this receiver. We have 3 different model transmitters. We have a handheld. You'll see on the booth we have some bedazzled versions that we're showing off here because they're very easy to customize. We have a miniature body pack, the Astral Mini, and then we have a full-size TX, the Astral TX here. We have 3 different model receivers, the 32 channel unit that's in the wall behind me, an ARX8, which comes as a base 4 channel receiver and can be bumped up to 8 channels via a plug-in. And we have an ARX16, which comes as a base 8 channel receiver and can be bumped up to 16 channels paired to it. Below this device, you'll see we have the Astral Opto. This is an optional expansion box that you can use alongside your ARX32 if you wish to directly connect to a Digico console. So Digico is a sister company of ours under the Audiotonics brand, and we've now built full integration with their system so you can send macro commands back and forth from your receiver to the console and from your console to the receiver. Below these 2 units, we have a little bit of a teaser of something that might be coming your way fairly soon. And that's thanks to our new company, JH Audio, which has now come under the Sound Devices brand, which is over on the edge of our booth. And then below this, we have our new battery chargers. So for your handhelds and for your body packs, we now have battery chargers that can be used to recharge those batteries, whether you want to recharge the 18650 batteries or the AA size batteries for the body pack. These can be rack mounted. You can have up to 4 of them connected at one time with one 140 watt power supply running to them to charge 4 bays in a row. Or you could just use a single bay, or you could have 3 mounted in a rack such as this. The one other new preview we're showing off here at ISE is our Astral Guitar Box. So this completes the puzzle for our wireless guitar system. So you can use our smart guitar cable with our Astral TX and then utilize these Astral Guitar Boxes so that you can run through your pedal board and make it sound exactly as if you had analog setup. You'll notice on top of this transmitter I have a little switch. This switch can be programmed to do whatever function you wish with your Astral wireless system. It could be your power on and off, your mute, your RF on and off. It could be a aux output adjustment, either a latch or a hold to talk directly to someone on a belt pack. And the same thing's true with our handhelds. With customizable buttons you can swap out on each microphone. That's kind of what's new for us here at Sound Devices. We obviously have our mixer recorders as well, which everyone knows us for. Over on the other side of the booth, we have our Scorpio with the CL16. So over here, this is our waveform display, which we introduced for the CL16. So now when you make recordings on any of your 8 series mixer recorders, whether that's an 833, 888, or a Scorpio, now you have a playback display that will show you your previous track. So if I go into playback mode here, you'll see each color channel is associated with the different bits of audio here, and I can jump around the track by using my middle layer of faders, or encoders I should say. And it just gives you a great visual so that when you're doing playback on set, you can easily play back for the director and show where you are in a file. So that's the latest from us here at Sound Devices at ISE 2026.
Solid State Logic has brought its latest innovative mixing console to the show, attracting a large number of interested visitors.
Sam from Solid State Logic here at ISE 2026. I'm here with MediaVision, and we've got a number of cool products on the booth. But one of the things we want to show you is actually a preview of what we're going to be launching later this year, which is the TCA Fly Pack. Now, TCA exists as part of the System T wider ecosystem, which consists of engines, tiles, modular components, large format desks for broadcast, OB, production studios. But one of the things we've been asked for is a flyable system. And I actually flew this out to me with the flights in Barcelona this week. So what we have here is the TCA tile, or the S500 tile, but the important part that we've added is around the back. Come around this side of the tile, you'll see here that we have a quick release mount, which both hosts the touchscreen as well as the TCA computer running the TCA application. This then links into any of our TE1 or TE2 engines, so scalable I/O and processing throughout. But the nice thing is the back here. We now have local I/O, so 8 analog inputs, 4 analog outputs, a built-in switch with ruggedized connectors, and this all exists inside of the wider ecosystem, so it can work with any of our Dante stage boxes. And as you can see over here, actually, sorry we can't see it at the moment, but in the background we even have the desktop fader tiles, the desktop master tile. So this is the newest edition that we're previewing at the show, so I hope that's useful to you guys, and look forward to seeing you soon.
Studio Technologies is demonstrating a range of audio products, including Dante interfaces and other solutions.
I'm Mark Townsend at ISE 2026. On the Studio Technologies stand, we're showing our range of Dante interfaces and our new ST2110 products. We've got a range of belt packs, announcer consoles, leader clocks, mic line to Dante converters, a whole range of interfaces to allow people to build small intercom systems. We've got Dante to Dante bridge to allow you to connect separate Dante networks to keep isolation between OB trucks and theatres, for example. We've now got a range of ST2110 products. We've got mic line to ST2110 and ST2110 to Dante bridge. And we're now launching a range of ST2110 announcer consoles. We're launching at ISE a range of 3 different units. This is a 6-channel talkback device, so it's a small standalone product that allows an operator to have a position for commentary, for announcements, for doing live productions in sport, or for streaming in a big corporate AV environment. We have primary and secondary connectors for the audio, a management connector for the control and interface, and these are now in production. We launched them at the end of last year. They're now in production, and we're starting to get installations in sports events and live production.
Tomorrow, Friday, February 6th, marks the last day of Integrated Systems Europe 2026. We have more exciting updates for you. Stay tuned.